Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to safely download and install Rec Room application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and open up Google Play Store for your Android and App Store for your iOS. Now go to the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar type in Rec Room and search. Look for this application from Rec Room Inc. and then tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app. On your Android, it will start the download process immediately, while on your iOS device, you'll need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After you do that, the download process should begin. Wait for the download and installation process to finish. This usually takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is done, you will see Open button. Tap on it to launch the game, and then you can go ahead and start exploring the game, hangouts, and creative spaces inside Rec Room. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.